Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today, one second. Alright, we're good. I was just making sure my door was closed and everything so I could get this video recorded, because today we're going to be doing a try-on video for this beautiful pair of Jordan 1s right here. For this pair of Jordan 1s, the Ama Maniére ones. Of course, you got, that beautiful Charleston morning traffic going on. I'm sure everyone's in a perfect mood. It's Tuesday. Everybody just loves Tuesdays, as much as they probably love Saturdays. But yeah, we'll get into this video. I got a pretty simple day today, so I was like, you know what, this is what I'll do, this is my plan. And yeah, we're up and we're making this video. So if y'all want more content like this, subscribe, like down below, do whatever y'all want. Of course, these shoes are a great long-term hold. A lot of people have discussed that. They're like, hey, there's a lot of value in these in the future, and they'll make you some money. I agree with people on that. These are holding a lot better than I thought. I was very wrong about my market kind of, I guess, opinion on these. Jordan 1s have recently not been going for as much, and these were an exception. So yeah, I'll show you all the close-up details, what I like about this shoe, and then we'll get into it, do a little try-on part, show you what it looks like on foot, because this is probably one of my favorite ones in my collection now. So first things first, looking at the details of this before we actually specifically get into the details of the shoe and everything about that. The first thing I want to mention, I want to show you all the box. I did show the shoe briefly in yesterday's video, but I didn't go over too many of the details, but I know there's a couple I've already covered. For example, the box sleeve. You can see on the box sleeve, it is the Ama Maniére logo, because it clearly is also right there on the box, if y'all can see. That matches what's on the sleeve. Maybe you can see that. So there you go. And this is a size 10. You might be able to see that through the box. I put this in reverse, but yeah, I got a size 10 right here. So it comes with the sleeve, kind of like, again, those Fragment lows did. I don't know if they're going to start doing this with all their collaborations, adding sleeves. I'm not sure if this is something regular that they would tend to do with ones, because I noticed this was something that had happened with the Jordan 1 low, Jordan 1 high, so it's specific to a model. I'm not too sure, but the sleeve is nice. It kind of protects the box. You can see it's got kind of this kind of, I'm going to call it mocha, kind of, I guess, a darker brown, kind of mocha kind of colorway on the box. And then it's like kind of a cream color, so it really works out. The box is super clean, but that's obviously not the main detail of the shoe. And there y'all can go 100% authentic. We do not do anything fake, straight from the APB store. And I appreciate them for letting me come across and get this pair, because this is one of the doper collabs from this year. Of course, when I started looking into it a little bit more, actually seeing the details on it, I underrated this shoe heavily, and I'm gonna start doing a lot more like I'll look into shoes more closely in the future, kind of like their close-up details, because I understood why these are worth as much as they are. Kind of once I saw those close-up details, that's all I needed to see. Because the first and main thing I'll mention, which this is why I wondered how comfy these are going to be. It's like quilted all the way on the inside, if y'all can see that. It's got the kind of Ama Maniére symbol right there. And there's a couple other things. Shout out to my comment section yesterday for pointing it out to me that I'll be looking for on the shoe. But y'all can see on the inside of the shoe right there, it just says Ama Maniére. Maybe, it's going to be a little you might be able to see that with the light. I don't think you'll be able to. You can see then there's a signature right there. And someone was telling me, possibly behind the tongue, there is something on this shoe. So I'm gonna look. Ah, yes, okay. So something has been discovered right here. So on the inside of the shoe right here, I found a signature, and it says, "Learning's a gift even when..." God, my eyesight is so bad. I really need contacts. Learning's a gift even when pain is your teacher, and then has a signature. So I'm assuming that is going to be the person's signature. That is going to be their quote or something. Good quote. Truthful. Pain is a fair teacher to, I guess, have you avoid something or do something. Fair enough quote, but it's kind of, it's not that deep. And then there's another quote. Yes, hold up. Is this on every part? Oh, no. Okay. So it's just on the inner parts of the shoe. So here you go. You got another one right here. You have to expect things of yourself before you can do them. And that is another signature. See, this quote's better. This one's much better. You have to expect things of yourself before you can do them. I agree with that. You obviously have to prepare yourself mentally before you do anything. And if you obviously want to do something, you actually got to want it more than anybody else. And that's a fact. So, yeah. Dope shoe. Again, you already see those close-up details. Of course, you got the swooshes. Oh my God, excuse me. You can tell maybe I'm a little tired, but you got the laces matching with the swoosh. You can see kind of that burgundy color. And then again, that snakeskin kind of pattern up here. You really can't feel, it's not like an actual kind of snakeskin material. It's just a regular, it's not a suede, not a mesh or anything, just regular. It's not cloth, but it's the same as the quilted material. That's the best way I could put it. I had to think about it for a second. And then of course the swoosh is going to be that same material right there, not as the quilted material, but it's just typical Nike stuff. So yeah, aside from that, the basic close-up details, kind of showing y'all everything about the shoe. Again, my the cream kind of, you know, again, like sole matching with the kind of white upper part of the shoe and the burgundy kind of theme with it. I like that. And then of course you got the signature. I've already showed you all that, but the signature, of course, matching with all that right there really completes the shoe. And a lot of close details on this one. I really like that. And you know, just looking on the inside, it has both have the exact same thing on the inside, the same little ama you know, Meniere logo right there. But of course the actual quotations on them, the quotes, I think those are cool. So aside from that, I'm about to put these on. These are going in the collection. So yeah, let's see what I think about these. Hopefully I like them, because, well, obviously I like them. I wouldn't own them if I did. What a messy video. Let's just get into the try-on part, shall we? Okay, so definitely my first thoughts on these is that these feel different than a normal pair of Jordan 1s, especially up by the ankle, since it's that kind of quilted material. This feels a lot different, and it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. The shoe is much more comfortable than a normal pair of 1s. You can see I got a couple already in my collection, and this is just another one I'm going to be adding. I know the fit probably isn't great, but whatever, you know, you're just looking at the shoes right now probably anyways. And then of course then up here by this, I'm actually liking this kind of material where it's a little bit not as soft as before. It's a little bit more of a stiff material, and this is good because it means that I don't feel like these will crease as much, so it overall will last you longer as a shoe to wear. And then it's easy to wear. I mean, you can easily put something on that'll fit and work with this. Of course, you could just wear you know, like a burgundy jacket or something that would match with the laces, or, you know, a cream jacket, white jacket, whatever would work. White would work easily with this. I mean, I'm just white tee right now, but you know, this doesn't really work. It's kind of, yeah, I mean, it's fun, but it would be kind of interesting, you know what I mean? So yeah, wear your shoes how you want. And overall, my thoughts on these is that these are just really nice. I'm excited to have them, and they're clean. I mean, you can see how these go on foot. They're really easy to wear, I feel like, at least. And you know, you can wear them how you want, because these not creasing, and they're gonna last you some time. So keep them in. No, but real talk though, these are actually really comfortable Jordan 1s. Like, I feel like I can walk around with these for a while and not be like, dang, these are actually killing my ankles. So good job, Nike. Anyways, it's pretty much everything I need to mention right there. Again, I'm liking these on foot. These are a very nice pair of shoes. They're comfortable, easy to wear, and I don't have any complaints. I mean, the box is dope. Every little detail that they put on the shoe, they clearly put some work into it. So again, if y'all just want some more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. That's what we got going on, of course. I'm going to be trying to add more new stuff to the channel soon. You know, I've been trying to do more try-on videos, unboxings. You know, I did get that PS5 in, so I got that, you know, chilling down there. I got like 4 of them, so overall the process is coming together. We're gonna have a lot of really cool stuff in the, you know, on the channel in the future. Just, you know, I'm gonna start getting into like the gaming crypto space, like for the metaverse. Like, I'm really trying to get on that while I can, like while it's early on, just so I can make some good amount, you know, good money on it, and then I don't know, dip out, do something fun. But yeah, that's everything. So subscribe, like for more, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video. Peace.